Making consistent, scroll-stopping social content used to feel like an endless, exhausting full-time job. But these days, turning a long live stream or an interview into a massive stack of shareable clips is way easier thanks to Vizard. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transform one long video into dozens of ready-to-post clips without losing your mind. We will cover letting the AI pick your best viral moments, how to auto-schedule everything across your channels, and how to manage it all from a single calendar. First things first, you need to get your long video into the Vizard workspace by hitting the upload button or dragging and dropping the file. Vizard immediately starts scanning your footage to find high-energy moments and sound bites that are likely to perform well on platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The AI doesn't just chop randomly, but looks for markers like voice pitch changes, applause, laughter, and jump cuts to identify real viral potential. Okay, let's talk about auto-editing viral clips, because this is the absolute secret sauce for creators who hate tedious trimming. Once Vizard has analyzed your video, you'll see a list of suggested clips complete with thumbnails and helpful timestamps. Each suggestion comes with a confidence score, so you can quickly scan which bits are the most promising ones to post. Click a clip, and it opens in an editor where you can tweak the start or end point and add a quick zoom for impact. You can insert text overlays and choose the perfect aspect ratio for the platform you are currently targeting. Want a vertical version for Reels and a square one for your Instagram grid? Vizard can generate both versions from that same single clip. A pro tip here is to not be afraid to accept the AI's picks, because it's surprisingly good at finding those perfect hooks. If you want to add your own flair, use the quick text templates for captions so you don't waste time styling fonts and sizes. The whole point is to get you out of the editing rabbit hole and back to the fun part, creating more content. Next up, we need to talk about captions and copy, because great clips definitely need great captions to stand out. For each clip, you can auto-generate caption suggestions tailored to different platforms and specific tones. You can pick from multiple caption variants, favorite the ones you like, and even auto-generate relevant hashtags in seconds. Vizard even lets you customize captions per social profile, so your TikTok audience doesn't get the exact same copy as your LinkedIn network. It's those small, subtle differences that make your content feel truly native, and not like you're just spamming links. Now let's talk thumbnails and visuals, because for platforms like YouTube Shorts, a good still image makes a massive difference. Vizard includes quick thumbnail generation tools, where you can grab a frame, add bold text, or apply a background blur. While other tools might be more manual or charge extra for batch work, Vizard handles thumbnails, captions, and clips in one pipeline. Scheduling is where things get pleasantly hands-off, and you can finally stop worrying about posting times. The auto-schedule feature lets you set a general posting frequency, and Vizard will automatically slot out clips based on best practice times. You can set blackout days or specify your preferred publishing windows to ensure you never post at the wrong time. Other scheduling tools can be quite rigid, but Vizard takes the clips it already made and fills your calendar intelligently. Speaking of calendars, the content calendar gives you a single place to see every clip and caption across all of your accounts. Drag and drop adjustments are fully supported, so if you want to push a clip to tomorrow, it's just a one-drag move. You can filter by platform, clip type, or campaign, which is clutch when you're running multiple series at the same time. Vizard sits in a perfect sweet spot, providing intelligent automation where you want it and simple manual tweaks where you need control. So, if you've tried other editors and felt stuck in menus or nickeled and dimed for basic automation, Vizard was built to fix exactly that. Now let's walk through a real workflow so you can picture exactly how this works for you in practice. Imagine you have a 90-minute interview. Just upload it, and within minutes, Vizard will present a list of dozens of clip candidates. Pick a handful of clips, edit them for length or headings, and quickly choose your thumbnail and caption variants. Next, set your target posting frequency in the auto-schedule settings and hit schedule to populate your calendar. Check the content calendar to ensure the content mix looks balanced, and then just relax while Vizard handles the rest. A couple of practical tips. Use the post variations functionality to create multiple caption options for the same clip. Keep an eye on early metrics, and if a clip really pops, you can duplicate the post to schedule variations across other platforms. For creators who work with teams, Vizard supports approvals and comments so everyone can collaborate without losing any context. If you need extra help getting started, Vizard has a strategy assistant that proposes a content plan based on your specific channel goals. Think of it as a creative Kickstarter that suggests clip themes and posting rhythms so the first few weeks are completely painless. Who is Vizard not for? Well, if you absolutely love every single minute of detailed frame-by-frame editing for cinematic pieces, this isn't it. But if your goal is consistent social growth and faster turnaround without sacrificing quality, Vizard is the perfect tool. The magic here is speed mixed with smart decisions that help you polish content quickly without getting bogged down. It's not a silver bullet, as you still need to bring the ideas and personality, but it removes the time suck of manual posting. If you have questions about specific workflows, like repurposing podcasts or coordinating multiple accounts, drop them in the comments. All right, go find that one long video you've been sitting on and let Vizard do all the heavy lifting for you. You will be genuinely surprised by how many shorts you can pull out and how much time you save every single week. Get ready to see your consistency skyrocket and your content strategy finally come together effortlessly. Peace out and happy clipping!